how is the role of a public relation or a Copcom executive different at the client side and at the
Agency.
or a agency side? So many students still have the feeling कि मैं PR agency में काम करूँगा.
Good idea. Good question.
They feel कि PR, everything is about PR agency. So this was an amazing perspective for our students that you are working within the company also and you have so much to do.
Correct.
Yeah. So
good question.
Difference typically, on working as an agency or as a client?
Yeah. Well, actually, that it's quite significantly different. If you get an entry job into a PR agency, you will come at the lowest level as an executive, right? And you will be a part of a team, say, which manages a consumer vertical, or a technology vertical, or a finance vertical, or there's a bunch of companies that are assigned to one account director. Under the account director, there are 4 or 5 people, and there are 5 or 7 brands or clients that you manage. So while working on those multiple brands, you will get to know what are the nuances of storytelling, what's happening with competitors, what is ET going to write, what do you think that Mint wants, what do you think the Times of India wants, what does CNBC want, and what does ET now want. You'll get to know within 6 to 8 months, 1 year, you'll get some sense of the profile of journalist, the medium called pink papers or the finance papers versus the national dailies. The importance of regional media. I don't know if you know this. If you look at the top 10 newspapers in India, Times of India ranks 7th with a reach of about 9.5 million people, right? All the balance 9 are all regional papers. The Dainik Jagarans, the Amar Ujalas, the one from the east. There are papers from the south. These sell 25, 30 million copies circulated. Reach is much more. So the importance of regional media, importance of changing the same story in a different language, but the tonality changes. The behavior and the attitude of the story changes to suit those kind of consumers. So you understand that. But to answer Sam's question, I think it's got from one of the participants. PR agencies who work for clients are forever running after coverages. Because the client says at the end of the month, how much of coverages have you got from me for these 3 press releases? What have you done for this crisis? There's a fire in the factory, or there was a financial embezzlement case which happened somewhere else. There was a human rights issue that happened in one of our villages that we are working on. What is it that you've done to make sure the negative news doesn't come out and your positive news has gone up? So forever, the agency guys are running after coverages, column centimeter. Or that I've got front page, I've got page number 3, I've got a picture of the CEO, I've got a picture of the product. In this running melee of trying to show coverages to the client, what's missing out is the strategic thinking behind the brand. So when I say strategic thinking is nothing but how do we make this brand come alive with your targeted shareholders or stakeholders? That means it's a 360 degree. What is the medium that I will use? What will be the key messages, say in the north? How will I engage with this media separately? The strategic thinking behind the brand and the brand positioning bit is what gets missed out. If you come to an organization or the client side, because you are focusing on that one company, whether it's like Adani Group or Reliance, which is multifaceted, multiple companies, some retail, consumer-facing, or utility, or even for example, Adani Oils, we are into Adani Power, defense, we are into so many, Adani Gas, Adani Ports. You will be able to focus on the brand strategy for that company. And therefore, how do you raise the profile from the ecosystem around the company? Then you start thinking strategy. Then you start thinking reputation dashboard. Then you will not just think about coverages. And like I said earlier in my context, only 30% is your role for media management. The rest is internal, and the rest is brand communications and how do you communicate. And so that's the big difference that I see between agency and a client side.